Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to test Stripe payment. Start by opening your browser and going to the Stripe website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see your profile name there. Click on your profile name to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and select the option called Sandbox. This will take you into the testing environment where you can safely simulate payments without using real money. Inside the Sandbox section, you will have the option to create a new sandbox if you do not already have one. Go ahead and create a new sandbox environment. After entering the sandbox, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a plus icon. Click on this icon to start creating a new test action. From here, you can choose what you want to create. You can create a payment, an invoice, or even a subscription depending on what you want to test. Next, you will need to add a client. Enter basic details like a name and email address. These do not need to be real since this is only for testing purposes. After adding the client, move on to the payment section. Now enter a fake card number provided by Stripe for testing. Fill in the required fields such as expiration date and security code. Once everything is filled out, submit the payment. You should now see the payment processed successfully in test mode. This confirms that your setup is working correctly. Thanks for watching.